How many times have you had a job of any kind, think back, where you didn't have some kind of schedule you had to adhere to? So what makes you think it's any different if you're going to try to make a living using YouTube or working on the internet, and you don't get up at 8 in the morning and work from 8 to 4 just like a regular job? How can you expect to get income that you can live on when you're not working an income-worthy schedule? And I hope that made a little bit of sense. What it boils down to, guys, is when you first start your YouTube channel or any type of online business, it's going to be impossible. I don't care what kind of business it is, whether it's YouTube or whether it's something else. You're going to have to dedicate some hard work. It's going to take some time to build it. Same thing goes for YouTube. You're going to have to get a schedule. And if it were me, if you're going to be trying to quit your job, say in the next 6 months to a year, what I would do is I would say, okay, on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, when I get home from work, I'm going to make one video. And on Tuesday, Thursday, I'm going to edit. And then on the weekend, I'm going to edit and upload. So that way, YouTube does have an option where you can pre-schedule videos to go live at any certain time. So you don't have to upload it to get it to go live. I can upload a video today and I can be on the other side of America tomorrow and you will never know because it looks like I just uploaded it and it just hit my channel. Any comments that I released with it, everything. And we'll learn how to do that in here. But what I'm getting at here is scheduling, guys. You're going to have a schedule. Schedule. It's very, very, very important. Go to Walmart today. Get you a whiteboard that you can write on. Because trust me, this schedule is going to change from week to week. My schedule changes from one day to the next. There's been days I've worked 18 hours. There have been other days that I've worked 3. And there have been some days I haven't worked any. But if you tallied up the week, you're going to get a 40 to 60 hour schedule week regardless of how you want to figure it up. You're going to have to apply at least 40 to 60 hours to get the kind of income that you need to live on. Now, you probably won't always have to put in that kind of time, but starting out, it's going to take a little work, guys. That's why I say, think about what you're doing right now. If you're not happy with your job, don't just go in tomorrow and tell your boss to kiss it and go home and say, I'm going to make a YouTube channel and I'm going to earn a living on YouTube. It may not happen, guys. You may start your YouTube channel and in the midst of your YouTube and starting your blog, which is something that you will need to do if you're going to make a living on YouTube, and we'll get into all that too. You might go a different direction. You may start reviewing products on your blog. It may go big. You may they may enjoy reading your reviews and enjoy the kind of content that you write, that all of your blog reviews get lots of traffic. So you sort of let your YouTube channel go and you start doing that full time. So guys, there's so many different roads, so many different windows that YouTube can open. I could sit here for hours telling you things. Just like me, okay? I started out, when I first started YouTubing, it was just for fun. I never had a clue that I would ever make a living creating video content. I have a master's degree in principalship education. If you don't know what that is, that means I am qualified to be a principal at any school from kindergarten through the 12th grade, anywhere in the state of Kentucky. On top of that, I have a rank 1, which is 30 more graduate college hours that enables me as a science teacher expert, so to speak. Okay? It's in middle grade education with a science emphasis. It doesn't matter. My point is, I got a $100,000 education, and I'm doing something that you can do, and you don't even have to be out of the 8th grade. Do you understand what I'm saying? But at the same time, everything that I learned in college, all of these important life skills and things, I've been able to apply them, and I really think that's the reason why I've been able to be successful. Because determination and things like that, you just don't get that in school. That's something that you just sort of have to be born with, or you just have to want it. And this video has gotten a little bit longer than I wanted it to, but my big focus was get you a whiteboard, create your schedule, be realistic. If you're just starting, let's say 2 videos a week. 2 videos a week. Do that for 6 months. Or if you see that your subscriber base is increasing drastically, then you can bump it up 1 a week, 2 a week, right on down the line. Maybe you want to make one every day, as long as your views are staying up there on the videos you are releasing. You don't want to clog your subscribers up, and we'll talk about that too. You can put out too much content, but that's getting the horse in front of the cart. Next video, we'll get into something else that you're really going to enjoy.